Hello, welcome back to Daniel's DIY channel. Today I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to turn this pallet into all this lumber. As you can see, no damage to the boards, no cracks. Got all these nice 1x4s, 2x4s. Hope you enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to the channel. First things first, you gotta have your eye protection and hearing protection here. We have a sawzall here, or a reciprocating saw. I have a blade on here that's good for cutting wood and metal. It's gonna cut right through the nails. Yeah, let's get started. So just like that, we have all this nice usable lumber, 1x4s, 2x4s. If you like the video, or if there's something you don't like about the video, go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section. Give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Keep on doing it yourself.